हैदराबाद से बीजेपी की उम्मीदवार माधवी लता के खिलाफ बेगम बाजार पुलिस ने मजहबी जज्बात को भड़काने की दफात के तहत मुकदमा दर्ज कर लिया। वाज़ेह है कि शेख इमरान साकिन सैयद नगर फसल आंसर ने बेगम बाजार पुलिस में तहरीरी शिकायत दर्ज करवाई कि बीजेपी की उम्मीदवार माधवी लता ने जब से उनके नाम का पार्टी ने ऐलान किया है उस वक्त से मुस्लिम तबके के खिलाफ तौहीन आमेज बयानात दे रही हैं। शेख इमरान ने इस सिलसिले में माधवी लता के वीडियोज़ सबूत के तौर पर पेश किए।
To have seen this video, please take the message of peace and harmony. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskaram.
One more thing. She is claiming that she is been apologizing from that time. What do you say on this?
It is a deliberate and flagrant violation since it was not only one arrow that was fired. Incidentally, I have seen the video and she has fired more than one arrow. The particular arrow that was pointing towards Siddiambar Bazaar Masjid structure was one of the incidents, whereas the other one she pointed to her left and the one a little adjacent to the left. The one that was deliberately aimed, it was aimed to her right, which directly points at Masjid. As you can see, it is at the center, epicenter of Siddiambar Bazaar, and there is no other structure in sight except for the Masjid. Since this should be taken as a deliberate action to incite hatred, what if people who are celebrating Ram Navami and enjoying the yatra that has been undergoing, what if some of them, they got misled by the action and they started attacking the structure? What would have that caused? Thankfully, to the able support and the custodianship that we are under of the Telangana police, such incident, even if it would have been occurred, it would have been thwarted. But thankfully, it didn't even come to that. And unfortunately, nobody from Hyderabad has the spine to come forward and file a complaint because they feel that filing a complaint will give her publicity. Why should we worry about giving her publicity or not giving her publicity? Instead, we should openly condemn such actions and bring her under the law, whether she is a minister or not, or whether she is only a candidate. It all begins from her being a citizen, and if anyone is an irresponsible citizen and their actions cause outrage, she must not only apologize, but she must take back. She must retract from making comments against Muslim community and hurting Muslim sentiments. And I humbly request her, if she is watching this video, that she has no right to speak about the Muslim community if her welfare is not at heart. The only thing that she cares about is votes. If she really wants to beg about votes, she should go to Muslim household and she should beg for votes. On one hand, as you can see, a video has been widely circulating that she attended a show called Aapki Adalat recently, and please pay attention to both the frames and especially to the audio that is in this.
दिखाएंगे उन लोगों को कि इतिहास बनाएंगे हम कि इस भारत देश में हिंदू रह सकते हैं। अब की बार हम दिखा देंगे, हम इसीलिए कट्टर हिंदूवादी है। हिंदू धर्म शक्ति है। यहाँ के मुसलमान जब तक ये भी चले नहीं जाते इस देश से, तरक्की नहीं होती है साहब, मैं बता रही हूँ। और ये भी दिखा कर रहेंगे सारे दुनिया को हम कट्टर।
It was all right if she was making such a comment, since she has the freedom of speech and she can say what she wants to say. But the action that it has been causing and the venom it has been spreading through the community, it will have irreversible effects upon people, and especially on the younger generation who are due to vote this time. So I sincerely request all the first time voters and everybody who is eligible to vote that please do not vote for hate of politics. If it is not affecting you directly, it will definitely affect you indirectly, and you will hate yourself for voting to such a vile person who does not care about community and only about the power and vulgar display of power that she has been exercising since she was announced. I thank you all for watching this video. Please spread the message that on 13th of May, please come out and vote, and please kick out the people who are against peace and harmony of our Telangana.
सक्सेस द स्कूल के जिम्मेदारान की जानिब से लड़कियों की मेयारी तालीम और दीनी माहौल में तरबियत के लिए टोली चौकी और पुरानी हवेली ब्रांच में लड़कियों के लिए एक्सक्लूसिव स्कूल का क़याम अमल में लाया गया है। तो जल्दी करें, सही वक्त पर दुरुस्त फैसला लें और अपनी शहजादियों की तालीम के लिए सक्सेस द स्कूल का इंतखाब करें।